Oh, what's up, Ada Gang? Welcome into Dapp Central, your home for everything blockchain and crypto. I'm your host here for Reed. As a part of today's update, we're diving into the Palm economy, breaking down how they're able to connect producers of commodities directly with wholesale buyers, as well as the community, including the Cardano community, with their recent release of Palmyra Express, which takes products and items. In particular, this was actually their first sale where we saw Greek olive oil directly from producers to you, the consumer at home. Now, that's not going to be all. We're also going to briefly talk about their upcoming appearance at the RareEvo conference taking place at Caesars Palace in Las Vegas on the 6th of August, all the way through the 10th. And then we're going to briefly highlight updates when it comes to staking, their ISPO, providing liquidity and yield generating opportunities on MintSwap. And then we'll close out by briefly reviewing their roadmap and what we can expect moving forward into the future. Now, if it's your first time stopping by the channel, my goal is to help you find your footing here within the Cardano and Bitcoin ecosystems. If you appreciate content like this, I would appreciate you if you could smash that thumbs up on the way in. It is by far the easiest way to show your support here on the channel. If you want more, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, as always, feel free to voice off down below. Jumping right on in, we have the release of Palmyra Express. So this is coming in here from Daniel Friedman, one of their founders, stating, fully traceable and tokenized Zambian honey is coming to Palmyra Express. Fully traceable and tokenized Japanese matcha is also coming to Express. And last but not least, fully traceable and tokenized Sri Lankan tea cigars are coming to Palmyra Express. I want to shout out the team. I'll be working a little bit closer with them going into the next couple of months here. We will be doing a review of those tea cigars here on the channel. So I'm actually expecting to receive some of those, and moving forward, right, with additional products, I'll see if I can actually get my hands on them in order to be able to, number one, experience the process myself. But then number two, share that journey with you, the viewer here, to potentially get you to join their economy there as well. Again, this is just not a way to support the Cardano ecosystem. You're also supporting the producers of these items made from all around the world. Jumping back to the official website, as I mentioned, the sale kicked off here at the very early beginning of July, wrapping up around the 20th of July. Jumping over to the products page here, we've got all the information that we need to actually know about the product itself. So if I click on that, we can see that this was going on sale for $50. And I believe that that was independent of shipping, but this was for 1 liter of the actual olive oil. So it states here that this is Greek Mountain Kalamata extra virgin olive oil. And shout out to Theo, who I believe is actually Greek himself, which I would believe that this would be sort of a nice way to kick things off here as their introductory product, given how close he is to all of the producers of this high quality olive oil. Now, if I jump back over to the official Palm page or the Express page, we've got all the information here talking about the direct sourcing of the actual products or commodities themselves. The fact that these are all exclusive batches, and the fact that these all also incorporate or use their traceability systems, as well as the fact that they're able to provide you with the option to pay with multiple different types of assets, including Cardano. And I believe they'll be expanding that to more traditional payment methods in the future as well. So again, more information here around everything that you need to know for their first sale. And as time goes on, I think I'll be reviewing more of their products and again, sharing my story here, while also being able to support some of these local farmers and growers of said commodities. Jumping over, we've got a brief bit of kudos coming in from Jim, going directly to the team from Palmyra Express, where we can see that he's actually received his extra virgin olive oil. And moving over, we've got all the different details about how the actual olive oil was harvested, the location, the month in which it was harvested, the harvesting method, and the harvest number. We've got even more information here about the actual location where we can actually see the olive trees and where on the map these olives were actually harvested at. Again, very, very interesting to see here, more processing information, but this just goes to show you the depth and the attention to detail that the Palm team has taken when it comes to making sure that you as a consumer have all the details that you need about all of their existing items and all of their future listings that they'll be applying to Palmyra Express. Now, I mentioned earlier the team will be showing up at the RareEvo event. If I'm not mistaken, we can definitely expect Daniel Friedman to be there and Brian Dill, their chief marketing officer. I'm not sure if Theo will be making it in or if Sam will be making it in. I know that Theo's based out of Greece and we've got Sam, who's currently in Japan, but we can definitely at least expect 2 of their team members to be there. So if you've got any questions, make sure to show up there. You can stop by their booth. They'll be providing some exclusive merch, and you can learn exactly how the Palm token is powering global trade. Now, if you aren't aware, the team does currently have an ISPO that's actively going, and they also have a staking portal, which has recently been released. So if you hold any of the Palm tokens, you can actually go in here, you can stake them, and passively earn a little bit of a yield on your existing assets for essentially locking them up or for staking them for an period amount of time. You can also view your holdings, and you can also use this as a tool to delegate to any of their existing ISPO pools. Now, I'm not going to break down the ISPO here in all of its details, but I'll leave the link to it down below. As you guys can see, there's quite a bit of information here breaking down the pools that you can delegate to. There's the dedicated pools from the Palm team themselves, and they've also got some community pools here, which are the Dave Ticker, Malu, Pride, and Clover. So by delegating to any of those particular pools, you'll be able to earn some of the Palm token. Now, in addition, if you hold the Palm token and you want something to do with it, you can also provide liquidity, understanding the risk of impermanent loss. But if you understand that and you are okay with that risk, you can earn roughly about a 48% APR by providing ADA and Palm into the MinSwap pool as it currently stands. Now, I want to just quickly remind the community as well, the fact that there's just the traditional Palmyra app. Now, on this platform, you're going to be purchasing at a more of a wholesale price. So, for example, with Palmyra Express, we're able to get a liter of that Greek olive oil for about $50. You could still get that olive oil here, obviously as a different batch. However, you'd have to order a lot more. So here we've got very similar oil listed here, but as you guys can see here, the minimum order amount is 24 liters. Jumping back into the listings here, we've got things such as tea, cinnamon, cardamom, pepper, nutmeg, mace, cloves, just a lot of different items here that are currently available. We've got some different teas here. We've got some honey that'll be coming in. And as I mentioned earlier, we've got some matcha there as well. And what I love about this is the fact that the team takes the time to actually go out and to meet these producers. So this is for the Lion's Tea Factory, where the team essentially went out there, got a little bit of a better understanding of how the tea is actually made, how it's sourced, packaged, and how it's actually presented, right, and sold to an end customer. So if you're not already following this team on X, you definitely want to make sure to go ahead and do so, because again, you're able to get access to this exclusive content here as things begin to really heat up here for the Palmyra app and the Palmyra Express platform. Now, as I get ready to close things out here, I want to briefly review the roadmap as we currently are now in Q3, getting ready to transition to Q4. We're expecting for rebate fees to be activated. We're also expecting for their first ever governance vote to take place, with additional ecosystem partnerships and utility expansions to be announced. And then looking forward towards the end of the year, there's going to be some advanced staking and yield opportunities, enhanced governance framework, as well as the Palm economy expanding and the DAO treasury, being used for things that the community can actually vote on. That'll bring me here to the end here for today's brief update as it relates to the Palmyra economy, the Palmyra app, and the recently launched Palmyra Express platform. Like I said, I'll be receiving some of their products here, reviewing them on the channel, giving you guys a glimpse into my experience with everything Palm economy. But if you guys have found this particular update to be helpful, I would appreciate you if you could smash that thumbs up. If you want more, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to voice off down below. That said, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.